ama na magiging leader ng ating bansa. Kanina kasi naputol. So I would like once again to call on Secretary Gilbert Gibo Teodoro for his message to the whole Kingdom Nation all over the world.
Thank you, Sister Nori. Ako po'y nagpapasalamat uli sa ating beloved Pastor Apollo C. Kibuloy, appointed Son of God, at sa citizens of the Kingdom Nation. Sinabi ko po sa inyong lahat kanina na kung ito'y normal contest, ako po'y maglululundag na sa tuwa. Ngunit, gaya ng sinabi ng ating minamahal na pastor kanina, napakabigat ng burdens of leadership at ang responsibilidad na mahigit 6 million people ang nagtitiwala sa atin. Hindi na po biro yan dahil buhay at kinabukasan ng ating bansa, pinakamamahal na bansa ang ating pinag-uusapan. At ito pong revelation na ibinigay ng ating minamahal na pastor para sa atin, ay nagbibigay na naman ng realization na nadadagdagan na naman ang burdens of responsibilities on our shoulder. Because the trust of all of you is no trifling matter, sinasabi. Sinabi po natin kanina na hindi na rin biro na 30,000 na tao. Marami hindi pa ako na-meet. In their lifetime, nasa Mandawi, nung isang araw, nababasa ng ulan, hindi umaalis. Ganon din sa Bayawan at sa maraming lugar. Ngayon, nandito po tayo na naman nagsasama-sama ngayong araw na ito. Hindi po biro ito. Ang mission natin ngayon ay ang inilathala ng ating minamahal na pastor kanina. It is to make a new Philippines. A progressive Philippines. A Philippines which is looked upon with pride by its citizens, and where citizens of other countries will look with respect, mutual respect towards all Filipinos. But we cannot get there if we do not start on the road in the right way. That is why I am happy and gratified that the ang conscious na daan na ipinili ng inyong abang lingkod at kanyang mga kasamahan, siya rin ang ginamit na gabay sa pagdesisyon ng ating minamahal na pastor. Ang positivism, shunning aside of hate and division. Filipinos have had enough of that. And it should start now, not after the election, but in the campaign itself, because the campaign is not for electing a person, but to place in place an idea, a roadmap. And that idea is that the Filipinos must be one. We must act in accordance with what God the Father taught us to do. Love your neighbor. We are already an archipelago of 7,107 islands. Why should we add archipelagos of the soul and archipelagos of relationships? That's why, in our platform, we aim to solve the poverty of the pocket, poverty of the mind, poverty of the environment, and poverty of relationships, which has been damaged because of a wrong political culture. And it can only be cured if we believe and walk the path of peace, justice, reconciliation, humility, respecting the dignity of each and every individual. Each and every individual is God-given. He or she is precious. And as Pastor has said earlier, our burdens, my burdens, have not yet begun. They will begin when I have been elected. And I will need your prayers and your cooperation. Prayers of each and every Filipino, because the climb uphill will not be an easy one. It will be filled with burdens. It will be filled with potholes, but there is nowhere else to go but for us to go forward as a country, as one, helping each other, lifting each other up, not trying to put each other down. Because if you help one another lift your country up, it benefits everybody. Benefits everybody, particularly the future generations. That's why I've said, during Pastor's birthday, he is not merely a spiritual leader, but a leader with an intense patriotism and love of country. For you cannot say perhaps that you love God if you do not love your neighbor and you do not love your country. Because your country is God-given. Your country is unlike any other in the world. Different kinds of people, different languages, different races. And we must try to find the good in each other. God did not mix us here by accident, but for a purpose. And let us walk together to discover that purpose, to make this place a paradise on earth. And that is the start of our mission. And I will count on each and every one of you to work hand in hand with us to start the road, the uphill climb to attain this burden. Once again, I reiterate, I am humbled. Let us all pray together every day that our country be what it is supposed to be. Thank you very much. Good night. Maraming salamat po.